Hello, this is Tom Zeppenveld from Graphileon with a short demo on managing hierarchical structures that are stored in a graph and how you can easily manage them in InterActor. The structure we're looking at is a hierarchy of tags for activities, which have they have a root node, and then they have a number of children who have children, who have children, who have children, etc. So managing in let's say just visually is one option, but of course you could also, especially for people who are not really familiar with graphs, you can make it a lot easier. And for that I just created a small application in InterActor. And the application that I'm about to show you only took me half an hour to build that. The application that I'm going to show you, it consists of a number of elements. We have a user, and for the user I'm logged in as admin, and two of the shortcuts that are here, the shortcut list activity category and the get detached activity category, they are displayed here as buttons. So everything I create as a shortcut automatically it appears over here. And this list activity category, which is a Neo4j, is a cipher. In fact, it's a cipher query. It generates a list, and so what this structure does, if this query executes successfully, then it's displayed as a list. So the query, it's basic getting the path from your from the entire, let's say the entire the parent-child structures that are in there, and list them alphabetically and in order that makes sense. From this list, which is a table view, there are a number of context menus, and each context menu takes as a parameter the ID of the row that I have clicked on. And when this query executes successfully, the list is refreshed. There's also a context menu to get a branch. This query looks a little bit different, of course. It just gets the branch from the leaf up to the root. So with this in mind, I've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 context menu options, and each of them is executing a certain activity. So if I would list all the activities, all the activity categories, sorry. Here I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. So the first one just shows the branch, and I can click on every node and I can explore the details if I want. I can also drill down if I want to. If I want to create a new child, then it creates, it's already over here, and then I can go to the branch, and if I want, I can edit the node, change the name. I can also detach this node, and then it asks me to confirm. And well, you saw there sometimes there are detached node, like the one that I just detached. Okay, I have my new item, so let's rename that one to some node XYZ. And for instance, I can also connect that node to an existing item. So if I would connect this one as a child, I have to have the ID over here. That's 2304. Connect as a child, and I have 2304, and then you can see that some node XYZ is over here. Let's detach it. And then delete the node to bring it back to the original situation. Well, this, as I said, an application like this can easily be configured just writing some cipher and taking full advantage of the possibility that that InterActor offers, and mainly the possibilities to create triggers between functions that represent table views or network views or panel views or chart views. There is a number of views that is available. Thank you so far. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.